YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Always Spinning 23, and I'm coming at y'all today with this here lineup video. I'm using my Andis Slimline Pro LIs. Got these hoes off Amazon for like 40-50 bucks. I don't know. I had these hoes for a little bit. Hopefully these hoes don't die, because I haven't charged these since like February. Like since quarantine started, I have not charged these clippers. My Kimmy clippers that I used to cut my hair, those mugs died. That's why I had to use the damn wall color guards in the last haircutting video I did. But yeah, I'm gonna just get a quick little lineup in, you feel me? Coming out the rag. I did that Murray's method or whatever yesterday and just been brushing a little bit. Brushed with the soft brush today. Threw the rag back on. And yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm gonna start off with just brush my shit down, you feel me? Just brush it down like that. When was the last time I had a line? I don't even know, bro. But yeah, hopefully I don't fuck my shit up. Sometimes like I'll be fucking my shit up. I don't even need a lineup like that really, like, but fuck it, I'm making a video. I'm finna see how this will turn out, you feel me? I try to line myself up like every 1.5 to every 2 weeks. And I think this right here is about like 2 weeks or something like that. Somewhere in that vicinity, you feel me? But I don't know, I feel like I might be able to go 3 weeks without a lineup, you feel me? And if that's the case, I might need to start doing that. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. And normally whenever I do my lines, I'm standing up. I'm sitting down for the purpose of this video here. So I don't know, this might be a little different, but we're gonna make it work.
I'm not trying, like, I want my shit to be crispy as fuck. And I see a little piece right here, I can get sharper and it's fun right here, but I ain't trying, like, I'm not trying to fuck my shit up. That was, fuck, I'm going for it. I feel like this part right here, I feel like to get better, so I'm not fucking these up. I'm not fucking up, like, it's gonna be as crispy as like, as it could be.
for this lineup, if you think my lineup's crispy, or if you think it's just average, let me know. Let me know. Comment crispy if you think it's crispy. Comment average if you think it's average. I really don't care. Just got a free lineup. All I had to do is pay for my clippers, 50 bucks. I've edged myself up well over 10 times since I've had them. And barbers charge. When I was getting my hair cut, barbers were charging $5 for a lineup. I don't know how much they're charging now because I ain't missed a barber in like shit going on 3 years. So they probably charging 10 for a lineup now. My haircuts used to be like 10, 12 bucks. I know for a fact they charging like, I be seeing like hundreds of bucks like on Instagram for barbers and shit. Make sure you disinfect your shit, cause you will. I've had like bad ass bumps and shit on my fucking, on my forehead, on my hairline, cause I ain't clean my shit off that well. But yeah, overall, I think it was a good little lineup. I don't know when this video's gonna be up, but I know that one video, I don't even know if y'all seen that message. I don't know if I uploaded that yet, but that message video's gonna be up soon. Leave a like if you enjoyed this one. Subscribe if you're new. Comment if you're new. Let me know what you want to see next. And yeah, I'm gonna fuck with y'all later.